Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. In today's video, I just did a little mostly get ready with me. I did a couple steps ahead of time myself, you'll see in a second, but mostly get ready with me. And the main focus of this video was the new Sigma Angela Bright collab. It's so pretty. Look how cute she is. There are so many lovely colors in here, and I was excited to give this a little bit of a test drive, create the look that you see right here. I love this overall look. It just feels so enchanting and forest fairy, and I love. Now, I don't know if codes are applicable to collabs itself, but you can use my affiliate code battybean to save on their site. And this month specifically, my affiliate code will save you 40%. So if you are looking at shopping on Sigma's site for anything in particular, now's the time to do it if you want to save some money. As far as my accessories today go, I don't know where this choker's from, it's very old. These earrings are from Spooky Doodle Club on Etsy, and I believe this is the Alley ponytail from insert name here. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop in, play with some makeup, and create this look. Hi and hello. As you can see, I've already done some of my face. I've already primed, I did my brows, I did my foundation, concealer, a little bit of bronzer, and set my under eyes, just because I literally just filmed a Get Ready With Me recently for my channel that went up, and I just did my members only Get Ready With Me the other day. So the idea of like filming my foundation again just seemed so boring to me. So I skipped that. It's the same old stuff that I've been doing, and it'll all be in the description box if you're curious about what I use. And if you want to see me actually apply it, check out my recent Get Ready With Me's because it is the same. But we're gonna move on to blush next. I'm gonna use my Worth liquid blush from Rare Beauty because I cannot get enough of it. I'm just so obsessed with this. I think it's such a beautiful color. It's one of my favorite formulas. Just gonna do a couple little dots right there, and then take my little sponge and go to town. How are you doing today? What's up? I'm getting ready for work on this lovely Wednesday. My best friend Sam is back from Prague, so I'm gonna see her tonight after work and kickboxing, and I'm so super excited to see her. Also, really hoping to finish the second ACOTAR book. Either tonight, might be wishful thinking, but tomorrow morning at the latest. I would love to finish it. I'm getting so close. I only have like 230 pages left, so not too much. I'm feeling good about it. It's wonderful. I'm loving it so much. Everyone told me that this was the best one of the series, and so far I can definitely understand why. I'm loving it. I really enjoyed the first one like a lot, but this second one is fantastic so far. Look how pretty that blush is. It's just such a good color. I feel like it just gives me the most natural, sunny, blushy look. It's so, so pretty. I'm gonna throw on just a few fake freckles before I go in with highlighter. Just the normal shebang, you know? I like to try to intentionally put them on top of any natural freckles or beauty marks that I do have, and then I just kind of go to town, sprinkle them everywhere. And then I'll just use my sponge to pat them out and get them more blendy into the skin. I've been doing a lot more outdoorsy things just between vacation and theme parks, and even though I wear a lot of SPF, I do get some natural freckles when I'm out in the sun, and I like that my natural skin is having little bits of it. Like, I don't really get tan, which is fine. I've accepted that I'm a ghost, but I do like seeing some slight frecklage to my skin. I think it's so cute. For highlighter today, I've been really wanting to use my Gifted highlighter from Kaleidos again recently. It's one of my favorites. It's so pretty. I'm just going to shimmy that on my nose and my cheekbones and all the spots. I don't even know what I'm doing for my eye look today, but I'm gonna make sure that this goes with it. I'll probably use this as my inner corner highlight as well, just so that it all balances out and flows on my skin. Oh, I just love it. It's so pretty. I love that shimmer. I love that pink glow. Oh, it's so good. I feel like an alien or something when I wear the Kaleidos highlighters. I'm itching for Kaleidos to come out with new makeup. Please and thank you. All right, well, that's it for the face. I'm just gonna spray it with my Colourpop Pretty Fresh, and then we'll move on to the eyes. All right, so today I'm gonna be using the Angela Bright Sigma palette. I'm really excited about this. It's very much like a half neutral, half colorful kind of vibe. And even though like I don't play with neutrals very often, every so often I do get the urge to. I'm gonna prime with my Milk Makeup eyeshadow primer. And I'm just really excited about this collab. I remember referring to Angela Bright years ago whenever I was first learning how to do makeup and stuff like that. I've always really enjoyed Angela's content, and I'm just super happy for this collab. It's so exciting. I also love the shade names in here. Like we have Champagne Problems and Evermore from Taylor Swift. We have like Cold Brew, Faye, Autumn. It's all good. I actually am gonna start with some neutrals, believe it or not. I'm gonna start with Cold Brew and then I'm gonna blend it out with Peachy. I'm also gonna be using the brushes from the Angela Bright's brush set with Sigma. I'm gonna first use the E27. I think I already own at least a couple of these brushes and I'm always happy to have more because it's a very versatile brush. I like using this kind of a brush in the outer corner for like really packing that shade down and being able to smudge it out. I want to just create a little bit of depth in this outer corner. This is gonna be a very shimmer heavy look, but I just want this to kind of be my base for all of my shimmers that I'm gonna lay down. I feel like there's nothing better than like fresh brushes. I feel like they're always just so nice and fluffy and wonderful. That's also spreading onto the lid really nicely. Like I could probably blend that just all by itself if I wanted to, but I want to use another shade just for the sake of using it. And then I'm gonna take this E33 little fluffy brush with that peachy shade just to help buff and blend that out so it's nice and soft and seamless before we start having some fun with all of the shimmers. I'm gonna be filming my summer favorites, I think tomorrow as I'm filming this, like it'll already be filmed by the time this video goes up and scheduled to come up very soon, but I'm really excited to film my summer makeup favorites video. I have such a vibe in mind of like what I'm feeling for the summer months right now. Just gonna kind of make sure those are flowing. Looks really pretty. All right, moving on to some shimmer. I really wanna use the green. I really wanna use Faye. I think I'm gonna use Faye and then I'll probably incorporate my face highlighter as well. It's like kind of a highlighty shade. So I'm gonna do a lot of Faye kind of covering most of my lid. And then I'll like kind of bring that gifted highlight in my inner corner and fading into it a bit. I'm gonna use my Bella Beauty Bar Shimmer Stay Primer just to get that all prepped so that my shimmer can pop and stay really nicely. Oh, and this memory card is filling up on me already. Why? Let me fix that and I will be back to do some shimmer. Okay, if things look moved around, it's because I had to delete some stuff off my memory card that was hanging on for too long. Faye, that beautiful, beautiful shimmer. I'm just gonna use my same sticky brush, which has been the E28. I just used that to spread that glitter primer around and now I'm going to, wow, that is gorgeous. Just gonna start kind of packing this on the lid. Oh, that is beautiful. I knew this was the right choice. I'm just feeling forest fairy energy right now. This makes me really happy. I'm gonna kind of let it taper towards the front of my lid, but I want to kind of make sure I have space like up here for my highlighter. Oh yeah, that was a good choice. Just gonna make sure the matte brown and the green shimmer blend nicely together. All right, pop it into my gifted highlight again. I'm gonna use this E57 brush now. And I'm just going to take it. I'm gonna start by highlighting the inner corner, get that nice and bright and established. Very, very cute. And then I'm just gonna kind of trail some of this on my lid a bit, kind of creeping in this upper area so that it can fade into the green. I just think this combination is gonna be so Faye. I'll take a little bit more of green now and just make sure those are fluffing together nicely. Look how pretty that is. I love the way that shifts and twinkles. That's really pretty. I'll take a little and pop this on my brow bone as well because, you know, why not? Let's just spread this all over my existence today. This is so cute. I'm really liking this. Obviously, I didn't really know what I was doing when I got into this video, but now that I started doing it, like this is exactly what I needed in my life. I think it's so pretty. So I'm gonna finish up the vibe. I'm gonna throw on an eye pencil, my lashes, which in my PR package with Sigma, they included Angela Bright's brand Bright Lashes, like one of the styles. This is the style Flutter. They're like little half lashes. I think I got this package just about a week ago and I've worn them probably 4 or 5 times already. They're so cute. I love the flick of them. So I'll put those on and something on my lips. I'm not sure exactly what I want, but I'll figure it out and then we'll recap. It's gonna be good. This is my final look. I feel so pretty right now. I just love the way all these tones play together. Obviously, I ended up adding some little stars and crystals just because I wanted to bring even more like ethereal energy to this look, and I love it so much. The eye pencil I ended up using is this one from Milk Makeup called Limitless. I kind of like smudged it in my waterline and smoked it out a little bit with a little bit more brown, just to add a little more smokiness to the look. These are those bright lashes, flutter lashes that I mentioned earlier. They're just the cutest little half lashes. They bring such a nice like shape and interest to the outer corner. And then on my lip, kind of keeping with the brown, kind of keeping with the pinky shift, I use the BFF3 pencil from Colourpop. I kind of filled in most of my lips, like I filled like all the lines and then filled it in a little bit and then just kind of smudged it with my fingers. And then over top, I put on the Colourpop My Goodies gloss because it has a slight pink shift. And I thought it would complement like my highlighter nicely. So this is the look. I actually need to put some earrings on. I'll put them on for the intro and outro. But let's zoom out and finish up this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate you so much for hanging out and being here. I would love to know what you think of this look, of the products I played with. Are you excited for the Sigma palette? I'm super excited for Angela's collab. I think this is fun. I do want to play with it some more because obviously I've only played with a few of the shades overall. I'm really entranced by this purple shade, and Champagne Problems is just like such a good wet looking one and done, just glossy lid kind of shadow. There are some really pretty special things in here. If you made it to the end of this video, why don't you leave me some like forest fairy enchanted kind of emojis, just because that's what I'm feeling right now. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I'm battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe. If you want to see more of my videos, I'm posting most days here as well. Also, feel free to join my channel membership. The link to sign up will be down below. You'll get a little bat badge by your name. You'll get exclusive cute little spooky emojis to use in the comments, and you'll get a members only get ready with me once a month. You'll already have access to the ones I've already posted when you sign up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.